Welcome back to our channel. Meet the Roborock Qrevo Edge, a robot vacuum and mop designed to reach where others can't. With precision edge cleaning, powerful suction, and intelligent mopping, it takes on every corner of your home with ease. From tight spaces to open floors, the Qrevo Edge delivers spotless results without you lifting a finger. 18,500 pascals hyperforce. This robot vacuum is ultimate cleaning with 18,500 pascals suction and the duodivide bristle brush. Effortlessly lift hair, debris, dust, and dirt from carpets, hard floors, and floorboard gaps. Made to adapt seamlessly to diverse home environments. Masterclass maintenance-free experience, all-in-one multifunctional dock 3.0 with hot water in this robot vacuum. Up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, hot water mop washing and self-cleaning bring cleaning to the next level, easily getting rid of stubborn stains and maintaining a spotless home environment. A dust bag as large as 2.7L supports over 60 days of hassle-free cleaning. 100% edge and corner coverage. The Flexi arm side brush and edge mopping system ensure 100% coverage, reaching every edge and corner with 0 mm precision, effortlessly cleaning tight spots and around irregular furniture. Flexi arm design side brush and mop revolutionize edge cleaning. With an extendable arc side brush and mop, it perfectly reaches corners and walls to realize seamless cleaning. Smart obstacle avoidance and AI-driven cleaning. Precisely navigate and avoid obstacles with reactive tech obstacle avoidance and PreciSense LiDAR navigation. In this robot vacuum several seconds, it accurately avoids obstacles and manages the most efficient path to achieve thorough cleaning. Excellent strategies for carpet cleaning. Mop and vacuum of this robot vacuum in one clean with up to 10 mm auto mop lifting. Dual mops can lift automatically when detecting carpets to ensure smooth cleaning. Control at your fingertips. Manage all things with the upgraded Roborock app. Advanced AI algorithms. This robot vacuum ensure smarter, stress-free cleaning. Diverse functions, including routines, map details, washing temperatures, drying duration, and maintenance conditions, are easily managed in the app. The Roborock Qrevo Edge is more than just a robot cleaner, it's a complete floor care solution built for modern homes. With advanced navigation, edge-to-edge coverage, and smart features, it keeps your floors cleaner and your life easier. Upgrade your cleaning game today with the Roborock Qrevo Edge. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.